about to put the new outer wheel arch on. I was going to do inner then outer, but it's a bugger trying to then line up, get the inner wheel arch in the correct place before you put the outer wheel arch on. So I'll put that one on first and then see what happens. If it's wrong, then we'll find out it's wrong. Put this one on top of the old one. I mean, I've heard it, I know you patch things over, and it's not a dumb thing to do, I don't do it. But I've never heard of someone putting an outer top of an outer. Nice bit of progress this week or two. The wheel arch is now on. I don't think it's too bad for a first attempt at putting a body panel on a car. You know, considering none of this metal is designed to be welded on. It's turned out alright with minimum warping. And obviously, filler will be our friend to make it all level. But filler is fine as long as you're not filling in a hole. So now put that slam panel back on. After dealing with all that, but I have denoted this is the worst side. What else? Oh yes, done some marvellous things with the boot floor on this side. Restructured all that, of course, because you can't get those sections anymore. I've looked all over the place. You can get them from the other side, but not this side. So see, to finish doing that bit at the top there, where it meets the wheel arch, and then put the the arm thingy mount back on. Some of that welding needs to be sorted out still, but it was nearing the end of the day. And so, yes, so when I've got a small sanding disc, grind all this down so it looks like a nice seam along with all that. Need to get my hands on a spot welder so I can spot weld the inner arch to the outer arch. And yeah, see, yeah, it's all underneath there, has been made. But no, good progress. And we shall continue making progress. But this is the worst side, because the other side, it's got none of the holes at the top here, compared to all that. Just need to sort out that horrible repair down there someone's done. There are some surprises lurking underneath that soundproofing in the spare wheel section. But hoping we won't have to squeeze, use the whole wheel arch repair panel, but we'll see what happens when the paint and filler is off on this side. But no, the sill, I don't have to do anything to, because I needle gunned all that, and apart from a hole under there, which looks like I'll be able to do a local repair to, it's all good, along with the rest of the floor actually. So hopefully no taking off a slam panel on this side, because it is a messy job. Yeah, well that's much nicer. And then when that's all done, move on to the front and put that new front section in. So happy days. I still need to take the rest of this stuff out, obviously. Still lots to do, but progress is being made. So if it was an MG, it'd all be done by now because you can get the panels, but it's a learning curve with this, and we like learning. Learning's fun. So yeah, oh, and bits like that. And that boot shut. That's all pretty nasty, and the seal lip. But no, as I said previously, all that is horrendous on that side. But move over to this side, and it's perfect. It is odd how it's gone here. Oh, and I have to cut this section out, of course, just to get my repairs done in there. But weld that back in easily afterwards. Grind it flush, make it look nice. Oh, and I'm going to have to cut all that out. Okay, this is escalating now. I'm reading it off to myself. Cut all that out so I can repair the spring pan underneath. But again, that's fine. Could be worse. Be positive and all that. Until next time.